Hi everyone, I'm Imrul Tusher. Today I will show you exactly how to connect your Payoneer account into your Fiverr account. So this is going to be a live. I will add my Payoneer account to my Fiverr account. Okay. So after watch this video, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to get more video. When I will upload the video, you will get notified. That's it. Without further ado, let's begin the videos. So as you can see right now, I am on my Fiverr account. So this is my Fiverr. For the first time, I will add my Payoneer account to this Fiverr account. Okay, so to add Payoneer account, you have to click on the my business. Then you have to click on earnings. Also you can click here as well. So I'm clicking here, earning. Then you will see this option. So I for the first time I'm adding, that's why you will see this option, add payout method. So you have to click on it. Then you have to select, you can add PayPal as well, also direct bank transfer, but it's powered by Payoneer also. Then so I'll go with only Payoneer account. Okay, so this is already selected. As you can see, if I select this, black border will be appear here. So I'm clicking this and then continue. Then Fiverr will send you a code in your mobile phone in the number which is associated with your Fiverr account. So give me a moment to check in my mobile phone. So sometimes you have to wait few minutes to get the code exactly. So after waiting few minutes, if you still didn't get the code, so you can click here, didn't get code, send again. So click on send again. So finally I got a call for the code. Let me repeat this.
Your entity is 6444407. Again, 6444407.
Okay, I got the code and I put it here and click on submit. Okay, your phone number was successfully verified. Okay, so now you have to click on continue to Payoneer. Now it will redirect to the Payoneer page. Okay, suppose still if you don't have Payoneer, you can add from this redirect from as well. Okay, as you can see, Payoneer sign up, but I already have Payoneer, that's why you have to click on here. I already have a Payoneer account and click here. So click on it, then it will show you a pop-up to logging to your Payoneer. Okay, so you have to put your, now give me a moment, you have to put here Payoneer email and Payoneer password. So let me do it. Okay, I put my email and I put my password and click on sign in. Okay, as you can see, you have added a new funding source to your Payoneer. Okay, now it will redirect to you Fiverr after a minute. As you can see, you have successfully submitted your Payoneer application. You will get an email as soon as possible, it's approved. So this is how you can add your Payoneer account to your Fiverr. So I think it's already added, right? Give me a moment to check. As you can see, one Payoneer account is added to my Fiverr account. So this is how you can add your Payoneer account to your Fiverr. I think so in this short video I show step by step details how to add your Payoneer. So if you found this video helpful, please let me know by commenting below and hit the like button and subscribe to get more video like this. Also you can let me know what kind of video you want to get, then I will try my best to upload that kind of video. So that's it for today. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.